Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this natural glowy look. It's so cute. Oh my god, I love this look like a lot. I've done a couple looks before with like oranges and yellows, but this is my favorite look that I've done with these colors, if I'm being honest. Like, it's so cute. It's really cute. I love it. It's so simple, it's so easy, it could be somebody's go-to look, and yeah, it's very easy. It did not take me that long at all to do, and I feel like a wing would look real good with this look, but you girl just don't have time. She doesn't have time to do that. Not right now. Also, everything that I've used in this video, everything that's been mentioned in this video will be down below for you guys in order, just in case like you guys missed anything or anything like that. And also my social media accounts will be down below for you guys. My Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and my Facebook will be down below for you guys. But yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this easy and simple glowy look, then just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to be grabbing this color right here first as a transition shade. This is the ColourPop Pressed Powder in Paper Tiger. And I'm going to be grabbing this Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just going to take that color and just put that right in the crease. And then I'm going to be grabbing the Jaclyn Hill palette, a collaboration with Morphe, and I am getting a special palette very, very soon. Probably when, no, not when this video is up, but like when the next video will be up, I probably will have that palette. Comment down below if you know what it is, what I'm talking about. But I'm going to be grabbing this color right here with the same brush, and I'm just going to also put that in the crease. And then I'm going to grab this Emax Design Fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend the edges out a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the Dominique Latte palette, and I'm going to be grabbing the color called Pumpkin Spice, which is this color right here. And I'm just going to grab her on this Elizabeth Mott tapered blending brush right here. And I'm going to put her on the outer part of the lid and crease. I will be blending a little bit up here with it, but just most of it back here. And then I'm going to be grabbing this Urban Decay Alice to the Looking Glass palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm just going to grab my finger. Look at that though, that's so gorgeous. And I'm just going to apply that on my lid. And then I'm going to go back into the palette and grab this shade right here with the same finger, just a little bit of that shade, and like put it in the center of it and just tap it over it, just to make it a little bit lighter and make it pop a little bit more. And then I'm going to be grabbing this Ulta Beauty Glitter Tears eyeliner in the shade Comet, and I'm just going to apply it to the lid, and then grab my finger, a clean finger, and tap that out. And then while that's drying, I'm going to blend the edges. So now I'm going to be grabbing this Maybelline New York Line Stiletto liner in Blackest Black, and I'm just going to do a thin line near the lashes. And then put on the Ciatè London Wonderland mascara and Black Magic. And then I'm going to grab these lashes right here. I believe they're from Kiss and they're called Midnight. But I'm just going to put some glue on these, well, glue on this one and pop this on. And now I'm going to go do my face real quick off camera and then I'll be right back with you guys. Now for the bottom lash line, we're going to be basically doing the same exact thing that we did to the lid. So the first color that I'm going to be taking is this ColourPop pressed powder in Paper Tiger. And I'm going to be taking that on this Urban Decay Alice the Looking Glass brush. And I'm going to be taking this side and I'm just going to put it all under there. And then I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill palette again and grabbing this color right here on the same brush and do the same exact thing that we did with Paper Tiger. And now I'm going to be taking the Dominique Latte palette again and grabbing the color called Pumpkin Spice. We're going to be doing the same exact thing that we did to the lid and crease. We're going to just keep it on the outer part. We will blend it to the inner part, but we'll keep most of the product back here. And then I'm going to be grabbing the Morphe M441 brush. And I'm just going to blend all those colors together. And then I'm going to be taking the Alice the Looking Glass palette again and grabbing this color and put it like right in the front. And then grab this color right here, which we just took this color and kind of pat it on top of the lid shade, which was this color, just to brighten it up a little bit and make it pop. And we're just going to do the same exact thing. And then I'm going to be grabbing the Glitter Tears eyeliner in Comet and just put a little bit down there. And then for the inner corner highlight, I'm just going to be taking this shadow right here, just to like give a little pop, you know. Alright guys, so I put on these lippies right here. So I have this lippy, but I literally don't know what brand it's from. It literally just says liquid lipstick, but it's just a orange shade and it's super pretty. Whenever I do like these kind of looks that are like oranges or yellows, I always pair it with this because this is so pretty. And then I put on top this Ulta Butter Balm lip gloss in Belle, and this lip combo is really cute. I've been loving glosses lately. Loving glosses. Like, that's all I wear when I wear makeup. I never wear mattes anymore. Like, it's always glosses. So if you like this makeup look, give this video a thumbs up. Also comment down below if you like this look and let me know what you guys want to see next. I'm thinking of doing a black smoky eye. You see how we jumped to this to that, like, this is more of a natural look and it's like super easy. It's just like a couple colors and you're Gucci. It's super cute. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit it, obviously. Yeah, hit that subscribe button. It's a big red button. You should press it. Press it. I see you about to press it. You should press it. Also hit that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a new video, and you could be the first one to like, comment, and subscribe on that video that you got notified by. And yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.